Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a realistic photo product, and it includes how to create a serum bottle. Okay, let's start it. First, open Apple Blender, press A, press X to delete everything, move to the front view, press Shift A, Image, Reference, add your reference. Over here, move your reference up by press G, Z, like this. Move to the property, opacity, check this opacity and turn this opacity, like this. Zoom in out, zoom in, Shift A, Mesh, Cylinder, press G, Z to move it up here. Press Tab to the edit mode, scale it down, press S, like this. Press Alt Z to the X-ray view, select this edge, press G, Z, over here, select this edge, press G, Z, here, press E to extrude, Z, to extrude on the Z-axis, scale it down, press E, Z, scale it down, select this edge, press Ctrl B, G, Z, scale it up, press E, move it to the Z-axis, scale it down, press E again, move it up again, press S to scale it down again. Select this edge, Ctrl B. Tidak begini. Press Shift A, Mesh, Cylinder. Move your cylinder by press G and Z to move it up over here. Go to the edit mode, press Tab, scale it down, press S, like this. Press Alt Z to view the X-ray view. Select the bottom edge, press G, Z, here. At the top edge, select it, G, Z, move it over here, press E to extrude, scale it down, like this. Select this edge, press Ctrl B to bevel it, scroll it down, and scroll your wheel mouse down to add more loop cuts. Okay, now select this edge, press E, Z, scale it down, press E again, like this. Select this edge, Ctrl B, scroll up, we don't need much, Ctrl B, and scroll up. We don't need much loop cut, just like this. Okay, go to the bottom, select all of this edge, press E, S to scale it down, like this. Select this edge, press Ctrl B to bevel it, like this. Now, let's move. We need to create the top of the bottle. Tap to the Add mode, Shift A, Add Circle, press G, Z to move it over here. Tap to the Add mode, scale it down, like this. Press E, Z to move it here, press E again, Z, move it over here, and press Ctrl R to add the loop cut, put it here, and Ctrl R again, click and move it down over here. Select this, and this, press H to hide, press A to select all, and I, double I, to scale it down like this. Here, press Alt E, extrude along normal, and move it inside, just a little bit like this. Okay, now press Alt H to bring back, select the top of the edge, press E, scale it down like this, scale it again. Okay, press E, Z, scale it down, move it down, hold this, press Ctrl B to bevel it, this edge, shift Ctrl B to bevel it, and the bottom, select this edge, press E, scale it down, press E again, Z to move it up, select all of the edge, press Ctrl B to bevel it again, like this, and let's check the face orientation. It's red, it means it's a back face. Just select, press A, Shift N, and we are done. Press Ctrl 2 to add simplification modifier, shade smooth, back to the edit mode, press R to add a new loop cut here, move it up like this, Ctrl R again, move it down over here, select this edge, Shift D, press P, selection, back to the object mode, select this circle, and edit mode, Alt Z to extrude view, scale this down, press G, move it down here, press E, Z, like this, move it a little bit, again, like this, press E, S to scale, like this, press E again, Z axis, move it up, scale it down, and press E again, Z axis, move it way to the top, like this, and press F to fill it, press Ctrl B, go to the front view first, press Ctrl B, scroll down your mouse wheel, like this, okay? Shade smooth, move it down a little bit, like this, tap to edit mode, Alt Z to extrude view, select this edge, press Ctrl B to bevel it, like this, select this bottle, shade smooth, you can hold Ctrl 2 or just go to modifier, add modifier, generate, subdivision surface, increase this level to 2, select this top, press H to hide it, select your bottle, go to the edit mode, select this face, press X, delete the face. Now we need to add the solidify, move it up, and add more thickness over here, like that. Let's check it into X-ray view. Okay. Go to object mode, press Alt H to bring back. So we don't need this reference again. We need to create the label. Click your bottle, tap to the edit mode, Alt Z, select all of this face, Shift D to duplicate, P selection, tap to the edit mode, select this one, change it to label, select your label, tap to the edit mode, Ctrl R to add the loop cut over here and down here. Okay. Now press Shift A, image, empty. Now press Shift A, empty, plane axis. Scale it up and press A to select everything. Press Ctrl P, object key transform. So the bottle is paired with this empty. Select everything and just hide it. Now go to the render property, render engine, change it to cycle. To the render, change it to 50. I only use 50. Color management, change this to filmic and high contrast. Split this window. We need to add a camera. We have our camera and go to the right view, move it over here, go to the camera view here, change the resolution to 1920 1440. Shift A, mesh, a plane, scale a plane like this. Go to the edit mode, select this 2H, press E to extrude and Z to the proportional Z axis. Face mode, select this face, press E, scale it down over here and press SY, press GZ to move it down on the Z axis like this. Press X to delete the face. Shift A, go to the object mode, press Shift A, add a cylinder, move it up like this, tap to the edit mode, select this edge and this edge, Ctrl B to bevel it, shade smooth, change it to the face. So if we move it, just hold your control and snap it to this face. It will snap. Okay, press Alt H, bring back our bottle, select this one, select the empty, move it up, press G, Z, hold your control, to snap it at the top of the cylinder, like this. Select your cylinder, press S to scale and hold Z, so we will scale it without the Z axis, like this. I guess we need to move this object, press G, X, like this. And next, select this one, press tab to the edit mode, hold Alt and select this edge, out of this edge, press E to extrude, and X to extrude it outside over here. And back to the object mode. Okay, select your camera, move it back, go to the right view, press G, Y, like this. Go to the render view, move this tab, make it bigger, change this to the shader editor, select our bottle, new, bottle, turn down the roughness, change the IR to 1.5, transmission, increase the transmission, so we can see it's become transparent. Select our bottle again, change the color, I want a little bit darker, a brown, like that. Turn down the roughness again and change it this IR to 1.46. Select this one, new material, change it to the black, turn down the roughness, just like over here. Now select your label, press tab to the edit mode and go to individual view, go to the back view, select this edge, press hold Alt and select this edge, press U, mark seam, press A again, U, unwrap, back to the object mode and quit the individual view. We need to another window, change it to UV editor and new material, press Ctrl T or just go to edit, preference, just type over here node wrangle, just type node and check this node wrangle, save preference, close this window, Ctrl T, open image, open image, open image, select your label, tap to the edit mode, select this and press A, R to rotate to 90 degrees. Let's see, move it in the middle, scale it up like this. Let's show it to the viewport setting. Okay, I guess it's good. And I guess we need to move this little bit up like this. Okay, back to the render view. Select this, new, make it like this. Okay, select your cylinder, select this plane, Ctrl P, no, select your cylinder, select this plane, press Ctrl Alt and link material. I guess we are done with the material, so let's do the light. First, check this and go to the world property, make it 0, press T and uncheck this, press Ctrl B. Okay, don't forget to save your project. So we need to add our emission light. Press Shift A to add a new plane, move it up, scale it up, press new material, del this principal BSDF, press Shift A, search for emission. Connect this to the surface. As you can see, it's become a light source. Scale it up and press R 90 degree, move it to the outside like this, press S Z, press S X, press S Y axis. We need to increase the strength like that, and let's add another emission light. Just duplicate this one, press Shift D, rotate it to the 90 degree, G, move it here. Wait, hide it first. I guess this light is, let's make it more soft. Change the color a little bit darker. Yeah, and press Alt H to bring the emission back. Click this one, new material. So if we change something over here, it doesn't change this one. It becomes a new material. Press new, emission. Just press Ctrl T. Delete this image texture. Press Shift A to add a texture, gradient texture. Connect this vector to vector. Change the UV object to vector. Change the viewport setting and press Shift A, color ramp. Let's move this back. Connect this one and here. So we have the gradient over here. Go over here to the object property, visibility, and ray visibility, uncheck the camera. Change this a little bit darker. like that. And we need to go to the rotation z-axis, move it like this. Location on the x-axis, x, select your location here on the map node, scroll it down like this, and we need to reduce the strength, maybe 3. Yeah, and let's move this one like this. We need another emission light. Just click this one and press Shift D. Change the ray visibility, uncheck the camera. Go to the top view, press R, 90 degree, scale it down. Move it here, down here, change it to 1, press SX to scale it on the X-axis. Oh, sorry. Click here to the new material, change the strength to 1. Maybe 0.5. Scale this down on the x-axis like that. Okay, just duplicate this one. Go to the top view, press R, 90 degree. Move it over here, so we have little bit like a new material. Change it to 1. Move it over here and make it a little bit darker. Okay, but it feels so. I guess we need to change this one. Change from linear to B-spline, and move this. Change the color a little bit bright. Not a B-spline. Change it to ease, and this one make it more brighter like that. Yeah, I guess I like it. And we need to add more. Another object, I guess. It feels so empty over here. Press Shift, press A, H to hide everything. Shift A, mesh, add a plane. Press RX, rotate it to 90 degree. Tap to the edit mode, scale it up by pressing S, and right click, subdivide, change it to 30. Subdivide once again. SX to scale it on the X axis. Go to object mode. Shift A, add a cube. Tap to the edit mode. SX, scale it to the X axis. Tap to the object mode. Press G, Z, and move it here. Select your plane. Tap to your plane. Select top of the edge. Move here, vertex group, assign, back to the object mode, go to the constraint, copy scale, select your cube, and turn down this Y and Z. Go to the physics property, cloud, move down here, shape, pin group, select our group, and collision, select collision. Okay, and press spacebar and select this cube, press spacebar and scale it to the x-axis like this. Okay, the spacebar again, select this plane, apply the cloud modifier, shade smooth, and add a supervision surface. Select this cube, hide this from render view, and Alt H to bring our object back. Okay, let's move this back here. Press GZ to move it up like this. Press X maybe, move it to the x-axis. Yeah, I think I like this one. Just add the material color, change the color to maybe a little bit yellow, darker. Just a green, but no. Let's make it darker. It's too dark, I guess. Let's see. Okay. I think it looks good to me. Just Ctrl S, don't forget to save your project, and let's render it. I guess we are done here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe. Thank you.